coverage. A hop if you wanna just bounce to my leverage. The evidence, as they say, is in the pudding. So show me the money like my name was Cuba Gooding. It ain't fool's gold, it's gold, fool. Can't stop, won't stop, keeping it old school. So cool. Big spoon.
Is this blinking? I can't see it. Yeah. If I can actually get some good footage. Yeah, I know, because I died.
I did it before you died.
Which way? Are we going to the side? Or I think it's this way. I just raped him in there. Ronnie, I'm rooting for you.
Oh, my bad for that. Oh, shit.
You got the shits. Fuck! Oh, my ballsack. Oh! I'm glad I filmed that.
Hey, all your nags fell out.
I got it! I hate you! Call it! I hit him like 4 times. Can you shoot?
Sort of. Hey, can I use your gun for like 2 seconds?
Just go semi, just slowly.
Hit! Seven.
Gun hit! Brownie, come on! Just say it's a gun hit.
You get that camera?
Yeah. Dude, let me.
Fucking cold, man.
Let's move it over here.